Hey guys, so I want to do a what's in my bag corporate girly edition. Yes, I have a hefty bag. It's by the brand Furla, and if you guys aren't familiar with this branded handbags, I actually quite like them. I think the quality is really nice and the price is rather affordable, and I think it's an Italian brand, so definitely check it out if you aren't familiar with it. But let's take a look at what's in my bag. I see a lot of people claiming that they are a bag lady, but I think I am actually a bag lady. I was always that girl who brought everything but the kitchen sink to sleepovers, and I feel like just having a bigger size bag is bad because I feel like it feeds into my addiction to carry everything with me at all times. So that's why I try to move away from and move towards like smaller medium-sized bags just so I can kind of control how much I actually bring. I feel like I always want everything with me. But anyways, let's take a look at what I bring to work. So taking a look inside, it's not that organized, so don't judge me. I bring obviously my charging cable. I think that's rather important. I've got my AirPods. I've got my floss because I'm all about the oral hygiene. Got a little snack in here, and I think trail mix is a great snack option if you want to be somewhat healthy and it keeps you full. And then I also have, of course, my phone. I have some medicine going on too, so I have Pepcid for upset stomach. I've got Advil, got Tylenol if I'm not feeling so great, and then I got a little compact mirror, which is actually pretty handy. Okay, this is not very organized, but I do have some Kleenex here. But yeah, it's not very organized. And then I have some refresh tears floating around. I do have dry eyes, and I think I got them as a side effect from getting LASIK, but yes, I have some eye drops floating around, some Listerine mouthwash, because again, I think it's important to maintain good oral hygiene. I can't even talk. I got some breath mints in case you ever eat something that smells slightly stronger during lunch. Helps freshen up your breath. And then I've got moisturizer, Clinique. So I do wash my hands a lot at work, so it kind of helps to keep my hands moisturized. Got my badge, sunglasses because sometimes it's pretty sunny and bright. And then, let's see. Oh, I got my blue light glasses because I think I've really noticed some differences just wearing this all day. I do stare at my screen all day, so it just minimizes the eye strain. Okay. And I got my chapstick. This is a Whole Foods brand. It's pomegranate orange. My lips do tend to get chapped. So, let's see. And I got my Urban Decay Vice lipstick because there are times when I gotta look a little bit more presentable throughout the day, so I'll reapply some lipstick. And then, one thing I like about this bag is it has this zipper enclosure in the middle. So it doesn't have it on both of these ends, which kind of stinks. I prefer purses with a zipper enclosure, but I tend to put anything that's more like valuable in there. So in here, I'll put my wallet, and I also have I think I put coins in here, like change. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Yes, I do carry a lot to work, and I'd love to hear what you guys bring to work and if you're a bag lady, and thanks for watching.